तो किस्सा कुछ इस तरह शुरू हुआ. In 1993, my father introduced me to my first instrument. That was a harmonium and a teacher, जो मुझे हर रोज गाना सिखाने आती थी. जब भी घर में मेहमान आते तो कोने में खड़ा होकर बुलाते ना पेरेंट्स गाने के लिए कि चलो कुछ गाना गा के सुनो. I used to sing all my old favorite songs. ये जीवन है, एक प्यार का नगमा है. उस वक्त एक 4 साल 5 साल 6 साल के बच्चे को कहाँ पता होता राइटिंग क्या होती है. It's just as if my soul was capturing some stuff that my parents would play to me. I would pick up instruments and I would just start messing with them and I would start playing. Suddenly instruments भी समझ में आने लगे, संगीत भी समझ में आने लगा, अलग-अलग भाषा में संगीत भी समझ आने लगा. This is I think one of the most important things that my teacher Mrs. Vandana Srivastav taught me, how to see music. शाम थी, मैं थक गया था, अपनी धुन में डूबा. 2007 में पास आउट होने के बाद मैं कॉलेज करने आया बम्बई. मिठीबाई कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया और फिर से म्यूजिकल जर्नी शुरू करी. बट भगवान ने कुछ किस्मत ऐसी लिखी कि मेरी शुरुआत सबसे पहले रहमान साहब से हुई और मैं मिला उनसे. I was an 18-year-old boy with a guitar. I walked in. I sat. जैसे ही मैंने गाना गाना शुरू करा उन्होंने कहा I think your third string is untuned. सारा कॉन्फिडेंस गायब हो गया. फिर मैंने अपनी गिटार की ट्यून करी. बहुत नर्वस हो रखा था मैं. फिर मैंने उनके लिए गाना गाया रहमान साहब के लिए. बट दैट टाइम रहमान साहब gave me an advice that changed my life. क्योंकि उन्होंने उस वक्त गेज कर लिया था कि this boy has a unique tone to his voice. अब अगर एक रहमान साहब जैसा बंदा बोलता है कि कुछ तो बात है आपकी वॉइस में एंड आपको इसको प्रिजर्व करना चाहिए. You should wait for yourself to turn 21, 22. तब तक आवाज मैच्योर हो जाती. उसके बाद you will know what I'm saying. I could have taken that advice in 100 different ways, but I just knew what he meant, and I quickly packed my bags and I went back and I started learning music and I started working more on my voice. I would pin down to 2014 जब ये पूरा बॉलीवुड का कारवां आगे बढ़ा और बहुत सारे मौके मिलने लगे, बहुत सारा प्यार मिलने लगा. हर गाने को अपनी स्टाइल में गाना शुरू करा और that kind of formed the little space that I was looking for in the industry. Samandar mein I had sung with Shreya ji. That song came and I saw that Shreya ji singing. The first thing I did was I sent the link of the song to my mom and I was like, Mom, who's the female singer? She knew, she loved Shreya Ghoshal. She said, this is Shreya. She said, you singing with Shreya? It was that moment, you know, when she figured out that her faith, her belief was not wrong. Then I got to sing with Sunidhi ji. I was a big fan of Sunidhi ji. कभी मिला नहीं था मैं उनसे. So, you know, working with artists of that stature for me at that point of time was so motivating and it just felt like I belong here. It felt like I'm doing something right. 2017 was a very special year. आज तक मुझे याद नहीं है मैं पता नहीं किस जोन में था जब मैं उसको डब करके आया. आज तक मुझे याद नहीं है उस डबिंग में कैसा था, क्या हुआ था. बट अगेन इट वाज अ वेरी क्विक डब. हम गए फटाफट रिकॉर्ड करा, गाना रिलीज हुआ. इंस्टेंटली 2-4 दिन में इट वाज एवरीवेयर. इट वाज प्रॉब्ली द मोस्ट ट्रैक्ड सॉन्ग ऑफ द एल्बम ऑफ ओके जानू. सब कुछ अच्छा था, बस एक टेंशन थी कि पता नहीं रहमान साहब क्या सोच रहे होंगे यार, इन्होंने मेरे गाने का क्या कर दिया. बिकॉज रहमान साहब वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी. एंड देन I got a tweet from his handle where he said, he tagged all of us and he said, thank you for giving the Hamma song back to the younger generations. I was like, got it right. More than the success of the song, मेरे लिए वो ज़्यादा बड़ी विक्ट्री थी कि रहमान साहब को पसंद आया. तुम आए हो तो यूं लगता है कि आई है जिंदगी. I want to find myself in a place where I can release my own music on my own channel. I want to be independent in all nature, all spheres. You like it or you don't, but that's what I am at my heart. The album Tum Aaye Ho To was not only an album for me, it was my life, basically. It was music that I could carry for the rest of my life. It was music that I want to play on stage. It's the music that I want to play. If somebody asks me, yaar koi gana suna do, I want to play something from that. Because it's my personal, it has essence of me in the melody. It has the essence of you know what I grew up to. It had the perfect words written by Rocky Bhai, just perfectly. These songs are a part of us, I would say. Doing independent music was a dream, and now I find myself in a place where I can do independent music, I can do commercial music, I can sing for films, I can sing for OTT, I can sing for ads, I can do whatever I want. And I think that's the kind of freedom an artist needs to be creative. So guys, this was my